Hello friend, Apple has launched its new Ultra model, Apple Watch Ultra 3. So today's video is with Apple Watch Ultra budget, what you can buy from market. So I'm here with two beautiful options. I would say two excellent options. With same budget you can buy. So the first watch that I have, it's Tissot PRX Forge Carbon. It's a beautiful watch. Automatic movement, see-through case back, 80 hours power reserve, and then sapphire crystal. Price is approximately $950 to $1,000. The next watch that I have, it's one of my favorite. It's from Seiko. This one is Seiko Alpinist. It's comes with in-house movement, automatic watch, 20 bar water resistance, sapphire crystals, see-through case back. You'll get it for $800 to $900. Let me know in the comment section which one you would like to buy. See you in next video. Thanks.